Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain some illustrations of valence bond theory. So here I take two examples. The first complex is nickel CN4 2 minus and second complex is COF6 3 minus. So first let us see the first complex, that is NiCN4 2 minus. Here first we calculate the nickel oxidation state. So here not given, so nickel oxidation state we calculate. So nickel represent, because that is the central metal ion, so we take X plus 4 into cyano group. So cyano mean that is -1, cyanide mean -1, so -1 that is equal to 2 minus, so that is -2. So here X minus 4 plus 2 is equal to 0. So X minus 2 is equal to 0. So X is equal to plus 2. So here nickel oxidation state is plus 2. Already we know that the outer electronic configuration of nickel is 3d8 4s2. So here nickel present in plus 2 oxidation state. So here we leave 2 electron. So we leave 2 electron mean, here 2 plus mean we leave 2 electron, 3 plus mean leave 3 electron, 4 plus mean leave 4 electron. Here nickel present in 2 plus oxidation state. So we leave 2 electron. So we get 3d8 4s0. So this is nickel 2 plus outer electronic configurations. And then next one, so this is a central metal atom or ion and its outer electronic configuration is 3d8 4s0. And outer orbitals of metal atom or ion. So how to fill this? So this is for 3d orbital, this one for 4s orbital, this one for 4p orbital. So totally how many electron is filled in 3d mean? So totally 8 electron is filled here. So first we fill single electron, then after only we fill double electron. So here first we fill single electron, 8 electron. So first upward direction. So here also single electron, here also single, and then single electron, single electron. And then so totally 5 electron is filled, and again first one. So now it is paired, 6th one, 7th one and 8th one. So this is for 3d8 and 4s 0 only. So here 4s is 0. So no need to fill any electron is here. 4p is not here, so 4p also no need. And next one, here what is the nature of the ligand? The ligand is cyano group, so that is ligand is Cn minus, so that is cyano groups. Already we know that cyano is present in strong field ligand. So what is the strong field ligands? Carbonyl group, cyanide group, ethylene diamine and ammonia. So these are the strong field ligands. What do you mean by strong field ligand? Ligands such as carbonyl, cyanide, ethylene diamine and ammonia present in the complexes cause pairing of electrons present in the central metal atom. Such ligands are called strong field ligands. So cyano is strong field ligands. What is the purpose of cyano? So here single electron present means it give one electron and make a double bond. So that is paired electron. So here already double bond, double electron is present. So here also paired, here also paired. So cyano is a strong field ligand. So it helps us to make a paired electron. So here also paired electron. And next one is strong field ligand causes the pairing of 3d electrons in the metal. And next, outer orbitals of metal atom ion in presence of ligands. Okay, so here totally 4 times of cyano is present here. So we want 4 vacant orbital, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one for represent vacant orbital. So now we write the hybridization. So here this is present in D. So totally D vacant orbital is 1. So here D. And S also vacant orbital is 1. So DS. And P orbital, this is for 4p. So how many vacant orbital is present here? 2 vacant orbital is present. That is DsP2. So DsP2 is the hybridization of NiCN4 2 minus DsP2. So here the coordination number is, so ligand present in 4 times, so coordination number is 4. So coordination number 4 and hybridization is DsP2 mean, that is square planar geometry. Square planar geometry. So now I draw the square planar geometry. Central metal ion is nickel. Here one cyano group, here another one cyano, here also cyano group, here also cyano group. So this is represent square planar geometry. And next one, magnetic property. So here number of N represent number of unpaired electrons. So magnetic property mean the formula is magnetic moment. Magnetic property mean that is paramagnetic or diamagnetic. So paramagnetic mean unpaired electron present mean that is paramagnetic. Paired electron present mean that is diamagnetic. Here no unpaired electron present. So here the nature is diamagnetic only. So here the magnetic property is diamagnetic. And next one is magnetic moment using spin only formula. So here mu s is equal to square root of n plus 2. So here n represent number of unpaired electrons. No unpaired electron is present here. So here square root of 0 plus 2. So we get 0 only. So here magnetic moment is 0 Bohr magneton. So Bohr magneton means that is the unit of spin only formula. So that's all for this complex. And next complex is COF6 3 minus. And then the next complex is COF6 3 minus. So here cobalt. So cobalt outer electronic configuration already we know that it's 3d7 4s2. So here cobalt is present in zero oxidation state mean we write the outer electronic configuration that is 3d7 4s2. But cobalt oxidation state is not given here. So we find out the oxidation state. So cobalt is X plus fluorine that is present in 6 times. So fluorine mean that is minus 1 is equal to, here the oxidation state is minus 3. So X minus 6 plus 3 is equal to 0. So X is equal to plus 3. So cobalt oxidation state is plus 3. So plus 3 means, so here leave 3 electrons. So what is remaining? Here 2 electron, here 1 electron. The remaining is 3d6 times. So 3d6 times and 4 is 0 time only. Okay, so this is for 3d 6 times. This is for 4 is 0 and this one for 4. So now we fill the electrons in this orbital. So here 3d6 times. 3d6 times mean first we fill single electron. So single electron. So 5 is completed. Again 6th electron is coming in downward direction. So now paired 4 unpaired electron. And next one is fluorine is not a strong field ligand. So fluorine, cyanide, ammonia, ethylene diamine, carbonyl group only strong field ligand. So fluorine is a weak field ligand only. And hence no pairing of 3d electrons in the metal. So the electron present in unpaired only. Then what is the next step? So now we see the ligand here. So here the ligand is fluorine. So that is present in 6 times. So coordination number is 6. And next one, so here we want 6 vacant orbital. So now again you fill this. So this is for 3D. This one for 4s, 0 and 4p. So here only 1, 2, 3, 4 vacant orbital only present here. So here coordination number is 6. So we need another one 2 orbital also. So we need to draw another one orbital. So after 4p that is 4d 10 orbital. So that is 4d 0. So now we take this one because coordination number is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ligand present in 6 times. So 6 vacant orbital is needed here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here S is only 1 time. So S. P is present in 3 vacant orbital and D present in 2 vacant orbital. So here the hybridization is sp3 d2 hybridization. And next one is hybridized orbitals of the metal atom in the complex is sp3 d2. So sp3 d2 mean, so coordination number 6 and the hybridization is sp3 d2 mean that is the octahedral complex. So octahedral mean cobalt is present center and next one here one fluorine, here one fluorine, here one fluorine. So this is the structure of octahedral complex. And next one is geometry. So geometry is octahedral only. So in this complex, outer d orbital are involved in the hybridization and hence the complex is called outer orbital complex. Suppose inside vacant orbital present means that is inner orbital complex. So here we take outside. After S and P we take this one. So this is known as outer orbital complex. So outer orbital complex means outer d orbital are involved in the hybridization and hence the complex is called outer orbital complex. Okay, and then we calculate number of unpaired electrons. So here totally number of unpaired electron is 1, 2, 3, 4 times unpaired electron is present here. Unpaired electron is 4 times. So what is the nature of this complex? Double bond that is present in paired mean that is diamagnetic, present in unpaired mean that is paramagnetic. Here electron present in unpaired only, so this is the paramagnetic compound. Paramagnetic compound. So nature of this complex is paramagnetic, and next one is magnetic moment. So magnetic moment already we know that formula, that is spin only magnet mu s is equal to square root of n plus 2. So n represent number of unpaired electrons. So here number of unpaired electron is 4. So is equal to square root of 4 plus 2. So is equal to square root of 4 into 6. So is equal to 4, 6 are 24. So square root of 24 means that is 4.899 bm. So here bm means that is the unit of spin only formula, that is for magnetic moment formula. Bm abbreviation is Bohr magneton. So here the final answer is 4.899 bm. So that's all for the illustrations of valence bond theory. Thank you students.